Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP. ABAP Tip 8. So sometimes you also came across this scenario, this case that you're coding and then maybe your code looks like this. Guys, to be honest, this code works perfectly fine, but I think it's super hard to read. And I don't want to set the focus what this program does. Please look on the format and how it looks like. And you can easily beautify your code and make it easier to read and also easier to maintain. And that is how you can do it with the Pretty Printer. Also executable with Shift F1, because here if we do the syntax check with this button, or also executable with Control F2, there we can see that this has no syntax errors. And if I execute this, then you can also see that this program works perfectly fine and has exported on this path an Excel file. So this is perfectly fine, but it's super hard to read, especially for me. Once again, you can use the Pretty Printer, and if you click on this button, then with one click it has been beautified. So it has been formatted and it's way easier to read. And honestly, for me, I always use these three key combination: Shift F1, Control F2, Control F3 to use the Pretty Printer, to do a syntax check and to activate my code in the row, to make it going, to make it ready and up and running. And basically you can also define the Pretty Printer, because if you click on the Pretty Printer and nothing is working, then under Utilities and Settings, here you can see under ABAP Editor there is a setting for the Pretty Printer, and here you can make some settings. So intent is basically to intent your coding. That is what I would select, and then I would also select convert uppercase and lowercase. So in my case, I would also like to uppercase the keywords. If you want, you can also lowercase everything, uppercase everything, but I just would like to uppercase the keywords. And that's it. Just confirm this, and then the next time you're using the Pretty Printer, you can beautify your code and make it way easier to read. And especially on the ABAP Test Cockpit, ATC, there could also be some checks that you, before going live to setting your coding into the productive system, you have to use the Pretty Printer. But I think it's the best practice, it's common to use the Pretty Printer. So yeah, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment sections. Please like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos, because there are 92 great upcoming videos about tips and tricks in ABAP still left. So see you in the next video.